It's done. Well, part one is done. Oh, look at that big boy. It's done. Look at that. So cool. It's done. Look at that thing. Oh, oh. Can't get it one-handed. Wait, let's try it this way. Oh, yeah. Well, after a small battle with supports, it's finally done. Check that out. This is an 800% model I found. There's the ambassador ship waiting for the droids to leave with the escape pod. Every once in a while you print something, you just go, man, that turned out great. Look at that thing. Oh, it's amazing. Looks like assembled, we're at about 23 3/4. So I found the Star Wars CR90 Corvette model on printables.com, 64840.